Have you ever needed to write an email, but you weren't sure what to say? Maybe you needed to reschedule a doctor appointment, reply to a company, ask a question, or send a polite message to a family member. This is one of the easiest ways to start using AI. Today, I'll show you how ChatGPT can help with emails and appointments. Let's say you need to reschedule a doctor appointment. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can open ChatGPT and write a polite email to my doctor's office asking to reschedule my appointment for next week. Keep it short and friendly. ChatGPT can then create a message for you. But here is the important tip. Do not copy and send it without reading it first. Always read the message, check the details, and change anything that does not sound like you. AI is here to help you, not replace your judgment. You can also ask ChatGPT to make the email sound different. For example, you can say, "Make this email more polite," or "Make this email shorter and easier to understand," or "Make this message sound warmer." This is very helpful because sometimes we know what we want to say, but we do not know the best words to use. ChatGPT can also help you prepare for appointments. Before a doctor visit, you can ask, "Help me make a list of questions to ask my doctor about my medication." Before a phone call, you can ask, "Help me write down what I should say when I call to change my appointment." You can even ask, "Turn this appointment information into a simple reminder." Then you can copy that reminder into your phone calendar or write it down. The key is to give ChatGPT clear details. Who is the message for? What do you need? What tone do you want? Do you want it short, polite, friendly, or professional? Here is a simple formula you can use. Write a type of message to person or place about your situation. Make it tone and length. The clearer your request, the better the answer. And remember, you do not need to be technical. You do not need special computer skills. You only need to ask in normal words. Start small. Try using ChatGPT for one simple email or one simple appointment reminder today. Follow Simple AI Seniors to learn AI step by step.